This scrunchie headband is very simple and easy and quick to make. Even if you don't have a sewing machine, you can sew this with your hand. Anybody can make this. And the measurement of this fabric, the one for the scrunch, is 45 inches. Is 45 inches. You see it there? It's 45 inches by 12 inches. This one for the elastic casing is 18 inches by 3.5 inches. This one is the one I'll pass through the headband, and the measurement is 18 inches by 4 inches. The measurement of the elastic is 1.25 inches, the width, and the length is 6 inches. I'll take this elastic casing to the machine and I will sew it, and I will take this one, this 45 by 12 inches to the machine, then I will sew it. So after sewing it, I will use this safety pin to turn this. I'll press it with iron to make it flat. Then I will turn this with hand because this one is big. It's easily, you can easily turn this with hand. It's big, so after turning it, you see, you do it like this. This middle part, you see, should be facing up. Should be facing up. So when you put this one inside, this is how you sew it. This one should be in the middle, and you put this on top, and you sew it. You sew this in the middle too. You sew it on top. So I will take it to the sewing machine. I'll put this inside. I'll put it inside flat like this. Then I will pin it. Always pin to secure your work. Then I will take it to the machine to sew. Then after sewing it, then I'll bring out this. This fabric is really good for this scrunchie turban because it's thick. It's not light. Because when you use light fabric and making it big like this, it will be fluffy. It will not stand, you understand? So try to use a fabric that is a bit thick to do this. Then I will take it to the sewing machine again and sew here. So I will now use safety pin to pass this elastic through. You see, I press iron this flat, very neat and flat. Then I'll pass it through. You see, I will pin it here, block it. After sewing the elastic, I will turn my scrunch like this. You see, this is the middle, but I will put it in the front facing front. You see, this is the sewn line. I'll put it in the right side. Then I'll close it, bring it a bit out. Then I'll close it like this. Then I will take it to the machine to sew. So after sewing this place, Be careful not to twist it. This is tricky, so be careful not to twist it. So you make sure you sew it in the same side. Then you take this like this, put it here, and I will do what I did before. I'll fold it this way, then I'll put this on top, you see. Then I will take it to the machine to sew. Then after sewing the both sides, then we'll flip it out like so. After sewing my boo-boo, I say, how can you make a boo-boo and not have a scrunchie headband on top? Boo-boo and scrunchie headband is like bread and butter. So I decided to make this beautiful headband on it.